You see them viewers, me tell you no say a slap we season, you know. Me tell you no say Kevin Blake nah joke with no man, you know. Squaddy them go rally, go murder Eddie. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit talk about. So no drop some like on the video, yeah. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Police versus gunman and residents at high spend plus top killer dons wanted for murder. So before me jump in at the reasoning and me gonna know what I go on, pre this.
That is
You see it, them viewers, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. Police versus gunman and residents at high spend. Half a police got high spend in a Spanish town. I look for guns and gunman. Them buck up on a person of interest. And before them for take with a brother there. See it, my people. Residents them run out. Gunman them run out. A fire shot off a squaddy them. The residents them a put them body in the way. Like them a human shield. I try defend gunman. My people, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. Full up of bare non-progressive elements. Why you think the shatter them deal with most of them people here so? Box and kick up enough of them gal here so. That's why I want to see them on video, you know. Enough is sorry for enough of them, you know. Cause enough of them now want to change in them community. You know feel them people here want to change? Them love when gunshot a fire. Them love when road block. Them love when curfew go on. Them love when them have stand in them house and can't come out. You know why? Gunman run them place here. And anything where gunman say, most of them people here have to do. So see it, my viewers. Squaddy, I don't know how you go do it, boy, but you get a fight from all angles, brother. I saw it go in a life. So see it, my people. Tie spend that where the residents them run out and I protect gunman. So no walk with me, I know. We are gonna rally where we see police murder the man you wanna see on the screen. 27-year-old Eddie Adams, or Adams Eddie. My people, police them there Rollington town for an early morning operation. Say them a look for wanted man and guns. And me no know who make them bust out Eddie no. Me no know what Eddie do, you know. If when them tapping at the man yard, if him did a move to Gigi or if him run when him see them, you know. If he squaddy them run him down and dash a clip in him, you know. But see it, my viewers. Me tell you no say a slap we season. Kevin Blake nah ramp with no man. The moment you start walk up and down with all iron in your hand in a community, or you push up yourself say you run down power, or you want dance ship, this a got happen to the whole of uno boy you get to youth. So no better live and learn and know where you go on and know what time it is right now. Not a joke time, me I tell you no. If you no love on life, you no better stay away from certain things. Lego certain friend and company. Stop make man program, you know. Cause most of the man them where program, you know, them nah do nothing about ya, you know. The dance and the general, them nah no back to them name, you know. Enough of them a big idiot, you know. And them there road and a program youth, you know. Through them have a little money in a them account, you know. Some people, see me, Eddie Adams, latest victim, squaddy them go to Rollington town, go pronounce him. And Indy come say them a running. So no walk with me, you know. See me, Justin Sangsters, aka Duns. The youth, my people, deadly youth, you know. Dangerous youth, you know. Him ends out a Mahu drive. More while them import him over in a niggas lane. And you don't know the thing go with importy gunman. When you no see man import gunman, you know, you have to come put in work, you know. Import in a combo, you have to come relax and look woman and feel like say a vacation you depend, you know. You have to step at night time and do things in the place. So see me, squaddy them a look for my road right now for a murder where I'm going with top killer duns. You better walk in at the nearest blue and white building, brother. Cause a slap we season. And when squaddy them pull up a your foot, me I tell you, it a go be dead house or jail house. So see me my people, duns, all of the youth them boy me I tell you no, I get themselves in a gunman world. Like them not care about them future. So my people, until next time, take care. Big off you now. When you don't know the code of road, a life over death. You see me?